Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mushroom vegetable soup. First, gather all your ingredients, including fresh mushrooms, your favorite vegetables, and some aromatic herbs. Next, clean and slice about 8 ounces of mushrooms and chop roughly 2 cups of mixed vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Finally, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready along with your chosen seasonings to ensure a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our soup. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them for approximately 3 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Then, introduce the sliced mushrooms, cooking them for 5 to 7 minutes until they release their moisture and achieve a beautiful golden brown color. With our aromatics and mushrooms ready, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth and add your remaining chopped vegetables, such as carrots and celery. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Finally, stir in your favorite herbs like thyme or rosemary and season generously with salt and pepper to taste. Our delicious mushroom vegetable soup is almost ready to enjoy. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, garnish your hot soup with some fresh chopped parsley or a swirl of a dairy-free cream alternative. Serve it immediately with a side of warm, crusty bread for a truly comforting and satisfying meal. Before you go, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to quality socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.